Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you how to design cans, and how to make it animate like that by Pacdora. Pacdora is an online packaging design tool that integrates editing, 3D preview, rendering, and exporting into one single web product. Designers no longer need to purchase and install multiple softwares, and all the work can be done in a browser. So let's design the cans. For design any kind of packaging or cans, we first need the templates and Dielines, and everything you will find in Pacdora website. This is the Pacdora website, and you will find here more than 4,900 plus packaging templates, Dielines, and mockups. You can easily select any of the template from here, and can work with it. I think this website is very helpful for those who work with products packaging and Dielines. Now I'm going to design the cans. For that, first I have to go templates and Dielines. Here you can see a lot of Dielines and templates. You can select any of them which you likes. In the left side, Dielines name are given, and you can easily select that you need. I select cans from them. As you can see, here are all about cans Dielines. Select the best one for you. I think this cans is perfect me, so I select it. Here, you can see the Dielines of the cans. All information are given top right about the Dielines. You can also check the 3D preview from here. Dear friends, you will get 20% discount if you use the discount code. I have attached the website link in my video description. If everything is okay, now download the Dielines. You will find here various file of Dielines. I download the Adobe Illustrator file, because I can edit it easily. So friends, this is the Dielines that I have downloaded. Now I'm going to design cans on the Dielines. Here are given all information like bleed, trim and crease. Before designing, carefully read these. Select the Dielines, and release the clipping mask. Now select the Dielines by hold Shift, and move it little bit aside. Now delete the extra parts, because we don't need these. Actually I have to design in the area, so this Dielines is okay for designing. I'm designing the cans for honey brew, so the design need related to honey. I think everybody know the honey pattern. If you don't know, you can search at Google. You will find it. Now I'm making honey pattern. So first I take polygonal tool, and draw a polygon. Select the polygon, and rotate it like that. Now copy the polygon by hold Alt, and place it here like that. Do the same thing for the bottom part. Make sure your polygon are perfectly placed, go outline mode by press Ctrl Y. As you can see, the bottom polygon does not place perfectly, so make it perfect like that. Okay, that's perfect now. So go back normal mode by press Ctrl Y. Now use the color in these polygon. Take eyedropper tool, and make these polygon colorful like that. Now select the 3 polygon, and add stroke color as a black. I think 3pt is perfect. Okay, that's good. Now make pattern by using the polygon. Select the polygon, and go Object. Select Pattern, click on Make, and click on OK. From the tile type, select the hex by column. Now make the pattern perfect by customizing the width and height. Okay, that's perfect. Click on Done. Now take Rectangular tool and draw a rectangular. The rectangular should be bigger than the Dielines. From the fill color, select the pattern. Turn off the fill color. Okay, that's good. Select the Dielines, and make it copy by hold Alt like that. Fill the rectangular like that, also turn off stroke color. Now we are placing the pattern on the rectangular, but we don't cover the full rectangular by the pattern, we keep some space for our text. So select the rectangular, and go Object. Select Path. Select Split into Grid, and make rows 4. Then click on OK. Again select the rectangular, and take Shape Builder tool, and join the 3 parts. OK, that's good. Select the rectangular, and reduce the opacity, so that we can see the honey pattern. I think there's need more space for text, so I increase the space. Select the honey pattern, and rotate it to 345 degree like that. Now place the pattern accurately like that. Now select the rectangular in the pattern, and make clipping mask. Okay, that's good. Now change the black color to off-white. I think this combination looks good. For making the video quickly, I have written all text. Now I just put it on the rectangular. Okay, that's good. This is the design. Now save a JPEG. So friends, now I'm in Pacdora again. From here, click on Mockup and select Cans. Now select the mockup which is perfect for your design. After selecting, you will see the interface. From here, upload your design. After uploaded, click on Save. After that, you will see the cans with your design. You can easily edit it in various ways. In the left side, everything is provided. You can also change the background like that. You can make video by using design like that. Also you can edit in 3D like that. Overall, this is very helpful website to present your products professionally. So I recommend it to all who are working with packaging and Dielines. The website link is given in the video description. Thank you.